It's like it's a beautiful street clean. They have CCTV in operation. So if you live here, they're quite very safe because it has got a CCTV. They have a little garden in the middle. It's beautiful. So you see that CCTV there. So quite really safe. Because people live here, they are very wealthy. You cannot live here if you are not wealthy enough. And the house costs millions. So they have a park, as I said, park in the middle that used for residents. It's a beautiful park. I think this place is Edwardian era. You can see at the top there. That's Edwardian era. It's all the way down. It's beautiful there. Look at the park there. Houses in the middle. It's all the way down. It's all this very, very nice tree plants. Quite smell, very nice smell. It's a little garden in the middle. That's beautiful that. See? It's immaculately looked after, well maintained garden. It's all the way down. That's all the way down there. I really like the park. Even if the park is small, it's very, very cozy to look at. So both sides. This is beautiful. I don't know the name of these trees. It's gorgeous. That's beautiful flowers there. Look at that. In England, during summertime, there are lots of beautiful gardens that you can look at because British people love gardens. So that house is there. Oh. And these trees. That's gorgeous. Aren't they gorgeous? So this is very private gardens. And they have the birds feeder there for the birds. Gosh, beautiful. I like that tree there. They're gorgeous. I like the trees. That one there. So if you are rich, you can buy a house in a very nice area in London. When you have millions of pounds. That costs millions of pounds. That one there is quite really nice at the very end. The end of the cul-de-sac. I love that trees. I don't know what's the name of the trees. It's beautiful. So there's CCTV. If you live here, it's quite really safe because they have CCTV in operation. That tree there. It's really nice. And the flowers. Aren't they gorgeous? And the house at the very end. It's all the way down. Even you are in London, you can hear the birds singing. So you see the birds here, they're well looked after by residents. They are healthy because they are well fed. You feel as if you are in the forest, but actually you are in the big city. Beautiful. The sun.